Make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. Hi friends of the twins, welcome back to our channel. Well, it's party time. Today Rhonda is sharing with you her tropical themed tablescape that she used recently for her husband's birthday celebration. If you're new to our channel, well, over here we enjoy putting together tablescapes. Shonda and I love everything home decor. We like to dibble and dabble in DIYs, and we are guilty, especially me, Rhonda, of decorating for each and every season. If it's something you enjoy, please subscribe. My hard-working honey, he does just that. He works hard. He's always been the type of person that you can barely keep still. Even though we're quarantining and it'll only be a party of 3, I still wanted to make this year's birthday a beautiful celebration. These gorgeous table mats with the different shades of blues and the gold is taking us straight to the ocean. Can't you just hear the waves? This second place mat was a Target find at $1.99 each, and they perfectly complement these plates that I showed you in a recent haul video. The Dollar Tree often has this same colored plate, and if you're lucky, you can find the matching mugs also. Friends, Shonda and I really enjoy bringing you these types of videos. Part of our purpose on this channel is to show you that you can definitely have beauty on a budget. I bet you would never guess that this gold flatware is actually plastic. It is made by a company called Sensations, and at $10 for the 24-piece set, it is definitely affordable for everyone. For my napkin holders, I simply went to Michael's and bought a bouquet of tropical flowers and cut them individually from the stems. And over here, friends, in keeping with my tropical theme, I've just made for my sweet Shuggy some fruit skewers using his most favorite fruits. I'm gonna also be making for him some delicious pineapple smoothies, and a little tequila should give it just the right taste.